Hey, say hello to my little show, Dominic Flip. I got myself a box of Blu-rays right here. Don't be telling everyone what's in my box of Blu-rays. Don't be a cowboy. Don't be a funny guy. This box of Blu-rays is for you, and it's for me only. They don't want to subscribe to my channel? Oh, fuck them, huh? Oh, fuck them. I'm gonna look inside this box of Blu-rays. Right now, I'm gonna take up my blade and just open out a box of Blu-rays. Fucking shit. I'm gonna open this fucking box now. Come on! Hoo-ha! Oh, shit. A bunch of fucking enamel pins. In this country, you don't have an enamel pin, you don't get a woman. You can't get yourself a woman. Oh, look at all these pins. I finally got what's coming to me. Oh, look at this pin. This one looks like it hasn't been fucked in a year. This one hasn't been fucked in a year. Oh, with the right enamel pin, there's no stopping you. I could go straight to the top with this. So great impressions. Hey everybody, welcome to Dominic Flick. Stop it. I'm so glad you showed up, and I'm really hoping you'll like my collection today. Let's take a look and see what's inside. I want to take a look. Now I got me a cute little darling box. We're just gonna open on up. We're gonna see what's inside. I bet it's gonna be something real exciting. It's gonna make your butthole clench. It's gonna be so fun. Let's do this. Oh my god, I got a whole bunch of enamel pins today. I just don't want to take it out of the box because they look like a little happy family. I'd be a home wrecker. I just might want to keep them in the box. Look at how beautiful they all look together. Oh my god, look at this little box of enamel pins I'm about to show you. They look so cozy, like a little family. I just don't want to take them out of the box and show you the box. Oh, this one scares me. Oh, this one's too scary. I can't even look at it. I'm gonna have to put it back in the box and never ever look at that one again. It's too scary. Look at it one last time. I can't do it. Oh my god, this one is the best one ever. I'm gonna wear this one at the water cooler tomorrow. I'm just gonna pin it right on my set. It's gonna be a great conversation piece. Meow! He's gonna chainsaw you, I'll say. They'll say, what's that pin you got on your shirt, Bill? And I'll go, oh, Sally. This is my Texas Chainsaw Massacre pin. It's my favorite movie. Next we got, what is that? This is a Ghostbuster thing. It's a little Ghostbuster pin. This little pin, you open it up and the little ghost goes inside. Alright, because ghosts are real, right? Jesus and ghosts, right guys? They're real, right guys? Jesus and ghosts. Jesus and ghosts. Oh my god, well pickle my nickel. Look at this one. Now if you're ever angry and frustrated, you put this little pin on your shirt, it'll take all your frustrations away. It'll be all right here.
won't be up here anymore. It'll be all right here. And you'll have yourself a good old day. That's that guy that used to put on other people's skin faces. He's a cool guy. Skin face. Alright. Next we got this guy. He's looking at me going, what the fuck happened to your show, man? It used to be so funny! Used to be so fucking funny! That's my Pee Wee Herman now. I'm doing Pee Wee Herman. Alright, next we got a little bit of a grab him by the pussy. We got some grab him by the pussy going on. That's how you get women's attention, man. Don't you know that? They really perk up when you grab their snatch. They do. They do a little perk up. And well, I heard they like it. I would just do it. And give it a try, guys, and let me know how it works out for you. Alright? Grab that snatch. Alright, next we got this little one. Look at him. He's happy. That's from They Live. That's a movie fucking from 100 years ago. That's 100 years ago movie. Let's make enamel pins about it. Let's make enamel pins about a movie. Alright, next we got and next we got what's going on here? He's one of the good ones. This guy's one of the good ones. He likes peaceful protests. That's Maniac Cop. Out to get ya. He's gonna get ya. Remember that theme song, the Maniac Cop? Maniac Cop. He's out to get ya. He's out to get ya. Maniac Cop. That song actually didn't make it into the original movie, but if you get the director's cut, you'll hear that song. It's sung by Duran Duran back then. He's out to get ya. Look that shit up. Maniac Cop. Alright, next we got that's the dude's girlfriend. Now they're a couple. You gotta have the set so you can wear them like earrings. That could be all kinds of cool now. Right? I could like work at a video store now. Right? I could be a blogger. What else could I do? Huh? Work at a movie theater with my cool earrings. Alright, next we got the Crypt Keeper. Wow, shit. These little enamel pins, they just make me so happy. And I think that if you wear enamel pins, it'll take all your frustrations away. They're just happy little pins. Look at them. They take all your nasty frustrations away. And I think that if you try hard enough, you too could have a YouTube video where you show shit out of a box on your phone. And you get a big head like you're a big old movie star. This is my favorite thing about it. Look at that. It's my new hat. Huh? What you think of that? Fuck enamel pins. This is my new hat. What? Oh, you alt-right motherfuckers are jealous, huh? I just came up with some shit. Copyright. Alright? This is my new fucking hat right now. Alright? And I got a new... Check this out. That's better than enamel pants. Now I'm prepared for the alien invasion. They're gonna come and probe my beehole any minute. Some more toilet Homer. Homer? Fuck. Homer the Odyssey. Fuck toilet humor. We're gonna get all educational. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about at this point. But watch out for the aliens. They're gonna come down and probe your beehole. They're probably gonna love probing Kim Kardashian's beehole. They're gonna probe the shit out of that hole. Out of that big old pothole. It's like a fucking street pothole. Alright, man. I hope you had a good time looking at my pens. Sad, I know. This whole show's turning sad. I'm gonna go cry now. I'm gonna go cry. Welcome to my program, Dominic Six. I got some nasty ass enamel pins to show you. There's Maniac Cop. Maniac Cop. Okay, first pin. Maniac Cop. Look at that. Don't forget Maniac Cop. Next we got, hey, it made me happy. This one made me happy. This one's Nightmare on Elm Street. Grab them by the pussy. Grab them by that pussy. That's the name of this scene. Oh, let's see what this one is. Fucking A, man. That's 3 in 1. All right. Let's take a look at some pins today. Hey, everybody, let's take a look at some enamel pins. Horror enamel pins right now. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, you got a fucking zombie. Fucking zombie gonna get you. We got a fucking skinhead. I mean a Leatherface. I'm gonna have to cut the shit out of this video. Hey, there's another one. That's a splitting headache. Boy, I'm clever. Really on top of it with the jokins. What's going on with my manicure is the name of this pen. Shit, that Chinese lady fucked up my new manicure. Ah! Alright, and this one is, this one says, dude, hey ladies, what's going on, baby? You like my, blue complexion? Huh? How about blood coming out of the mouth, ladies? What's, ladies? Where you going? Where you going? How about this one? You could just collect enamel pins and watch all your ladies go. Watch them disappear. Collect enamel pins today, watch your ladies disappear. And the next one is, who's this guy? This fucking guy's angry. He's got himself a black zombie. He's angry. Because he just found out Jesus ain't real. So he's super angry about that shit. He's like, what are you talking about? Ain't no Jesus and there's just fucking purgatory. Alright. This one is from They Live. I got another one somewhere. Oh, down here. These are from They Live. Look at those two. Fuck, man. They can either be from They Live, or they could be a real bad case of face fibromyalgia. That was a good joke. I've been playing that joke all weekend. Shit, I hope you liked it. Oh, here we go. That guy, he's happy for having a fucking split open face. That's what we call positivity. Alright? When you wake up in the morning and you ain't happy, remember, your face ain't split open. This guy's smiling. What about you? Alright, I'm getting mixed up here. What did I show you? What haven't I showed you? Alright, next we got... Oh, what we got here? Some sort of worm meal? Worm meat? Is this like... That's what quarter pounders are made out of. Right? This is a McDonald's badge. That's what your quarter pounders are made of, huh? That's why they taste so delicious. Shit, man. Alright, next we got Ghostbusters. This is what they use to catch ghosts in. Check it out. Alright? If you don't follow the rules though, you'll catch Jesus in this thing. So don't do it. Ghosts and Jesus are real, you know. Did you know that? Ghosts and Jesus is real. This guy's got a green face. He's got a green face. The fuck is this guy's problem, huh? It's the Green Man Group. We got the Green Man Group. I knew I'd come up with something really clever there. Fuck, dude. How are you not loving this shit? And the next one we got is... What's this guy? This guy likes to... There's nothing wrong with having a little outdoor hobbies. He likes to chainsaw. Like those special effects. This guy always... What's wrong with him? He just likes to saw trees and stuff. What? He's innocent. That's just his face mask so he doesn't get branches in his eyes. He's a nice guy. What? He's a good guy. Go to his house and help him. Bring some pruning shears. Next one we got is... Oh. Wow, this looks just like my wife. That one is a replica of my girlfriend right now. Yeah, baby. She's a hot one. I'm into the old ass stuff, man. I like the grays. I like the cotton head ladies. I'm into some cotton. You can have that Kim Kardashian butt. I like the golden girls. That's what I'm into. I like golden girls. Thank you for being my friend. You know what I'm saying? Fuck. Shit, traveled down that road and then back again, right? All right now. I hope you had a great time checking out my enamel pens, everybody. They was something special, and I can't wait to display them on my displays case. Let me show you that. Look at that displays case over here. Look at this fucking ugly face in your face right now. God, I'm good looking. Heck, check this out though. I got a nice display case to show all my fucking pens here. You got all your best pens right here. Oh, these are the prettiest fucking pens you'll ever see. Look at these fucking pens over here, huh? These fucking pens, wow, man. They got, oh man, these fucking pens over here. These fucking pens are just, look at how they're displayed. That's how you gotta look at them. These are my fucking pen displays right here. Let's take a look at them right here. Man, I fucking love this pen display. You gotta take a look with me. I got Creepshow up here because Creepshow's a fucking great movie, man. Alright? So, I hope you liked my fucking display pens. Alright? Make sure you come on back to my program with my big old red splotchy alcoholic nose and my fucked up yellow ass teeth for you to get a good old close up at. I'm a fucking model. Bye bye now.